In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a receipt on Wix. Whether you're running a small business, managing an online store, or just need to send out professional receipts, Wix makes it easy and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and send a receipt to your customers, ensuring your transactions are smooth and organized. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through every step of the process so even if you're new to Wix, you'll feel confident handling invoices and receipts. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Wix.com. Once the page loads, log in to your Wix account using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Wix Dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll manage your site, transactions, and invoices. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the section labeled Setup. It's usually easy to spot as it's part of the main navigation menu. Hover your mouse over the Getting Paid section within Setup. As you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Invoices. This is where you'll create, customize, and send receipts to your customers. If this is your first time using the Invoices feature, you might see a Get Started button. Simply click on it to continue. Wix will guide you into the invoicing tool, where we can begin creating the receipt. Now, you'll need to select the customer you want to send the receipt to. You can do this by choosing their name from the customer list. If the customer isn't already listed, you'll need to add them manually. Make sure their contact information is correct, as this is where the receipt will be sent. Next, add an invoice title. This is an important step because the title is what describes the purpose of the receipt. Be clear and specific, for example, website design services or product purchase receipt. This will help both you and your customer stay organized and on the same page. After the title, it's time to specify the product or service associated with the invoice. Be detailed here, for instance, if it's a product, include the product name, quantity, and price. If it's a service, describe the service and its cost. The more specific you are, the fewer questions your customer will have later. If you'd like to offer a discount, there's an option to add one. You can enter either a discount amount or a percentage. This is a nice touch if you're running a promotion or want to reward a loyal customer. Similarly, if you require an upfront payment, indicate the deposit amount. This is a great way to ensure partial payment before delivering a product or service. Next, edit the issue date. This is the date you're officially creating and sending the invoice. Make sure it reflects the correct start date for payment expectations. After that, adjust the due date. This is the deadline for when the total amount should be paid. Be clear about this to avoid any confusion. Once all the details are set, take a moment to carefully review everything. Double-check names, amounts, dates, and any additional details you've included. Accuracy is key when sending receipts, as errors could lead to delays or misunderstandings. Finally, when you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and click on Send Invoice. That's it. The receipt will be dispatched to the customer and they'll receive all the information they need for payment. Plus, Wix keeps a record of the invoice for your reference. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to sending a receipt on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.